Good morning, traders. This is Shagun Chapter for 7. I train traders how to trade in harmony with the market. So this morning we are looking at the Euro US dollar again, updates, and let's assess the situation. I actually closed the trade here yesterday at the first target because that was late when that happened, 7:25. So as soon as we pinned it, we closed the trade. Then we've seen the second target achieved this morning. You don't have to rush with this, okay? The idea, and I was sharing this, and I was sharing this yesterday in the first video that I did pre NFP. I was saying that this area, these targets that we've just smashed through now, this point here, let me measure that price out. That price point here, 117.19, that is the major break. Okay, so you can see now we've just broken it. For those that watched the video, I was pointing this area out. So this here is the momentum low. This is the second trend changing pattern. Okay, now we have price formation balanced, so we now have a major structure. What do I mean by that is this: we have now formed a base below this higher low. That means this is now a major momentum high. Okay, this is now a momentum high because we now have a structural point. So the minimum thing that should happen is for price to retrace. Once this move is finished, we will obviously we will count the wave to see the end of this wave, but eventually we should be expecting an attempt, okay, to balance this area as well, because now we have 0 ABC, 1 2 1 2 3, we're expecting 4 and 5, then we will see a reversal. So the downside still has a little bit more move that we can expect. This is the count here. This is 1 2 2 is giving us extension, 2 1 2 3. We expect a pullback, 4 and 5 for a completion of the 3, then 4 and 5 before we can see a major wave. So Euro US dollar, we can scalp to the upside, but the best trade now, even for the next 3 waves, is to sell into every rally that comes into the Euro US dollar, even though we've broken here. So we're not going to buy immediately now. Okay, we'll wait for the completion of this wave structure, especially now that we have an extended wave with the 2. Okay, so that what that means is we've seen 1 2, we're going to see 5 pullback and another one, then that makes 3. Then the 3 is going to give us 4, which may be a trend changing pattern that could be prolonged pullback before they make the low of 5. Then after the low of 5, we can start looking for a major move again into Euro US dollar, whether they're going to go back to the top, or they will fail and the price will start to go to the downside. That is the picture in the Euro US dollar. So I'm going to try and cram one more in the Cardian. I've not traded Cardian since last week, and I'm trying to let me see where we are right now. Let's just analyze the Cardian. Okay, as you can see, I've not done any updates on the Cardian. It's looking okay. Let's see where we are in terms of the 1-hour chart. Okay, we have a trend changing pattern here, followed by failure. We've broken below it. We're now seeing a structure. So this is a downtrend. excuse me. Okay, let's look at the dollar yen. That will give us a better picture of what's going on. It's still strong trend. Look at that. Where they pull back here, this becomes a trend changing pattern. They've not taken the high. When we see a trend changing pattern like this, the best thing you put yourself in the shoes of these people that are making money, okay, and say to yourself, is this enough to knock me out of this strong trend? And the answer comes naturally, okay. That's not good enough. We need to see one of these two highs broken, okay, and fail before we can look for a major sell like what we've just witnessed on the euro US dollar. So I'm going to, let's just check this on the MetaTrader, and that will give us a better picture of what we should be expecting. Okay, so dollar yen, this is a major move now to the downside on the 5 minutes. Okay, then 0 1 2 2, very strong 2 3 4 3 4. There's no trend changing pattern here. 4 and 5. So technically we can sell here because we don't have a trend changing pattern between the 3 and 4. So this point here is actually a good area to look for a shorting opportunity. We have 0 1 2 3 4 5. So the dollar yen from where we are right now will be a good sell, okay, in the short term, okay, but that short term sell will still likely break the low. Then we can start to look for a major buying opportunity to actually balance the 1 hour wave structure. So this morning we've done 7 minutes on the video. So I think those are the two ones. The major one I'm going to be focusing on is the euro US dollar. Then we'll keep an eye on the dollar yen for this morning, the 17th of December 2025. If time permits me during the day, I'm going to be updating these trades. But as we know, trade safe, okay, and there's opportunities out there to capture some pips. And I wish you a successful trading day and week. If you like what you see, give us a thumbs up. My name is Shogun Tattoo 47, and I hope to see you in the next video. God bless.